And together we're the
DeLexisEats best friends who make MUKBANGs together.
Today, guys, we got Popeyes.
Yes. And it's boo-boo setting again, but it's fine. What's that hot? Oh.
You keep going in and out again.
I just said in this boo-boo setting again.
Yeah.
This ain't gonna work because I can't do this. This is annoying. Anyways, I got tenders and fries and a biscuit.
I got 5-piece tenders, fries, and a lemonade and some ranch. I was gonna give me a caramel apple pie, but
Lemonade. The lemonade ain't that good.
It's what?
The lemonade not good.
Let me see. It's Minute Maid.
Yeah, it's bland. It needs some sugar.
Got sugar.
No. Anyway,
What's that?
got shout outs.
Oh.
So the first shout out is Francois Garo. I ain't got Danielle with me, and y'all know I can't read. Taylor B, her birthday was yesterday, so happy belated birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Kiera Cia Mackay. I can't pronounce these. But she was talking about how she don't like in the last video how people tell her that she needs to slim down in order for a man to notice her. And she was like, she want to body slam when people say that. She want to body slam them because that ain't true. Bro, she said she like our confidence. She want a confidence video. So when we get together and out of this bootleg setting, we could do another one. And then Grateful Wanderer 91. Shout out to you. And Janaya, her birthday was yesterday, the 3rd. No, Taylor's birthday is going to be on the 6th. Janaya's birthday was yesterday.
Oh. Happy birthday to both of y'all.
These taste like.
I'm in my car because my ring light broke. And Marjan gave me the one that the bootleg one we make together. And the only way it looks good is if I use a back camera. And if I use a back camera, how I'm gonna know it's still recording?
True.
It could stop and I'm like, damn.
That's annoying.
I ain't got enough.
That's good.
Huh?
I said God is good.
Amen.
Then yeah. They gave me this biscuit with no honey. So I'm dying.
What? Oh hell, I don't got no honey.
That's what I literally just said, bruh.
Okay, so then I looked in my bag and I said I don't have no honey either.
Oh, I thought you just know. I just thought that you said that out of nowhere randomly because you said you can't hear me. Don't dub me, ugly.
I can barely hear you because your mic is going in and out.
Welcome to the bootleg series of Danielle and Marjan. What's up? Oh, I almost choked.
What?
I almost choked.
Huh?
Nothing. Over. Gotta wet my throat. Dang, that's dry.
I should have got me a 3-piece.
Same. But I already counted it. It's about to be
Or a
breakfast, lunch, and
sandwich.
dinner.
Your mic is going in and out.
I said I already counted it, so it's about to be breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Oh. How much was it?
12 something?
No, I mean points.
Oh, all together? I want to say this was like the fries by itself was like 18. The biscuit was 5.
Man.
The chicken tenders was like 18. I think that was 18 for a 5-piece. And then they said the blackened chicken was 1 point. But I'm gonna crunch on my chicken.
What the hell is blackened chicken?
I don't know, but I'm gonna try it next time.
I thought the dang chicken sandwich was 23 points alone.
I'm about to get it for a snack.
Me too.
Danielle,
Hmm?
we did this video. We started early.
I can't hear you.
I said we started early. We wasn't on CPT today.
I don't know what she just said.
Whatever.
Move the mic closer to something. Lift up.
What mic?
Lift this up. Lift this up.
Girl, these are not iPhone earphones.
Well, I can hear you now.
Oh, well, hello, you hear me?
Yes.
All right, well, I look bootleg up in my video, so I can't be doing this the whole time. Open your ears.
Then
I can't hear her. She cutting out. Oh, Lord, she frozen. Oh, my gosh. I don't know what's going on. She frozen. She frozen. I don't know what's going on. I'm moving. She not. I ain't gonna stop either. I don't forgot what I was gonna say. What was I gonna say, y'all? But she frozen. I hope she's still eating. I sure am. Wow. She disappeared. Why am I the host now? Whew. I don't know what she want to do. What the hell? I don't know what's going on. But she ain't in this mug no more. I don't know where she at. Let me see if I can aim her first, right? Hold on. Let me see if I can send this to her aim. Church her, where you at or something. Hold on. Ooh. What is this? Ain't nobody about to pay for that. She better make her way up in here from that email. See, I'm hungry, huh? I know I forgot that sandwich for a snack. There he is. There she is. Oh, Lord. Hello? So they got a whole, like, 5 minutes of me eating. Wait. Oh, you didn't, you started it already? Let me stop eating for a second then. Or this whole... Told you this bootleg is hell. This bootleg is hell. Everything, something always happen. Put a napkin over it. I don't work at Apple. I hope I keep her entertained since she was gone, but I definitely was eating while she was eating. I just thought her Zoom cut off. I'm talking to the vlog. I mean, to the mukbang. But I said, I just thought, you back? Oh, but I said, I thought that your Zoom went off and that was it. That's why I kept eating.
Nah, my freaking phone overheated.
That's so bootleg. That's so bootleg.
I should have just stayed my ass in the house. And here it is, some ghetto police activity.
Oh, Lord.
Okay, that like say like that, whatever. I'm gonna keep eating. I forgot I took off my rings before I started this. Oh, don't fall.
I was talking and I was like, I'm gonna send her this aim real quick.
This aim?
Yeah. That's how you came back in the Zoom call.
That's what?
Shoot. That's how you came back in the Zoom call. What the? I know they didn't count this in my tenders. I know.
Girl, I can't hear you down.
I said I know they didn't count this as a tender. It's nothing.
It's a tender. Let me bring this over here.
I made me how many points was it? A 3-point milkshake earlier. And it was good.
Milkshake?
I mean frappuccino.
Huh?
Frappuccino.
Oh, like your mom did on her Instagram.
She did it first?
I saw her post something on her Instagram.
Huh. That's where she get it from. She get it from me. These are pitiful. What in the dinosaur nugget is this? Look.
What is that?
A dinosaur nugget? Hey.
She over here
Dang,
calling hers
T-Rex.
nuggets, and I'm trying to figure out why I still got four tenders left.
Yeah, I still got 2. I'm pretty sure I ate like 5 already.
Like what?
I ate like 5 already.
Got 5 for free?
Pretty much, that's what it's looking like. I feel like I already ate 5. I got 3 more left.
Y'all personally, cause this.
Popeye's generous.
That's dry.
Oh. That's crunchy. Call this a crunchy ASMR video.
It's an ASMR video?
A dang near all this crunch I got going on.
I can't feel it crunching. Huh? No, sorry. No.
Anything you have there, anything.
Sorry. Sorry.
Because he was about to get some money while he said, do you got anything?
He said, you got 50 cents. First, I didn't even roll down my window. And he's sitting there smiling like, so I cracked it. He said, you got 50 cents. I said, no, sorry. And then he said, you got some soda? I said, no. He said, you got some chicken? And I just laughed because...
Duh, I'm eating it.
That was weird. Anyways.
The audacity. I wonder if this ranch old.
Do what?
Just a little punch.
That's weird. That's greasy.
I'm having the time of my life. The only person staring at me right now is my dust bunnies in my room.
Oh. I'm about to say, when did you get rabbits? But you said dust bunnies.
Yeah. My guinea pigs be still staying in my brother's room, y'all.
Huh?
I gotta get visiting hours to go see my own guinea pig.
What?
I said my guinea pig be in my brother's room. What's the other one?
I can hear she keep singing. I told you to lift up the other earphone.
I'm eating.
Now I can hear you.
I said my guinea pig be in my brother's room.
Oh.
With the other guinea pig.
Why?
Because they gotta stay together. Oh. Oh, it's spicy. I'm gonna need something to drink. Danielle, should I tell them? Or should I wait?
Tell them what?
Because somebody wanted a story time about my somebody hitting my car.
How'd they know somebody hit your car?
Because I went on Twitter and I was like, got hit. And of course, the person that hit me ain't got no insurance or ID.
Oh. You can tell them if you want to.
Well, y'all, I was leaving work, driving out, rolling out deep, happy as heck. And I'm rolling down the aisle, and boom, somebody hit me backing up. Did he try to look to see if anybody was coming? No. So I felt the car jolt, and I was like, Lord. So I was scared he was gonna run away. I reversed it so fast, burned rubber and everything, and I blocked him in. He hop out, and then he said, F. And I looked at him, I was just like, accidents happen, but okay. So I got out the car. I was hoping in my head it wasn't that bad. Both doors gonna have to be replaced. I was like, how your car got that little dent, and then mine, I can't even use my passenger side window or mirror, and my back door messed up. Like, so then I was like, okay, you got your information. He said, no, I ain't got nothing. I was like, what do you mean you ain't got nothing? And he was like, man, I ain't got nothing. I can give you $500 because I really ain't got. And I was like, $500 is not even gonna replace one door. So I was like, no, I don't think so. So I got on the phone with my dad, and then I let them talk. So I was like, I don't know what's going on, but I know I'm not about to take $500 and leave. Like, everything good, you know? So then they talked and everything like that. Turns out he ain't had his ID, nor his insurance. And I'm like, so what you driving for then? What you driving for? Like, why are you driving then? So I had to take a picture of his registration card. He gave me his EBT card to take a picture of. And I was just like, he was like, I really don't want you to go through the insurance because I don't want them to spend my license. And I was like, what's the point if you don't have a license to begin with? You know? So then I was like, yeah, I think I'm going to go through the insurance because I ain't trying to pay nothing out of pocket. And who I need to be driving. Danielle is gone again. But I was like, I need to be driving. So that's the story. So I got to hear back from the insurance company. I took pictures of everything. Even though his name is different on the EBT card from the registration. But that ain't for me to figure out. I just know I don't pay insurance for nothing. And I better get my car fixed.
So, wow. Anyways, I'm just going to end this here because my phone keeps overheating and Marjan's phone just stopped recording, so we're just gonna have to stop. This video is probably annoying as fuck. What? I can't hear you. Anyway, so I'm just gonna end mine here. I hope next time is much better, cause F this. Bye. Goodbye, y'all. Love y'all. Hope y'all subscribe. If y'all unsubscribe, I don't blame you, but please stay subscribed. See y'all later.
My video stopped recording. So I'm recording on Snapchat the ending because my video stopped recording. Anyways. Yeah.